Hey guys, my name is Ellis. Today we're going to be speedrunning Haunted Mansion with my best friend, Carter. Carter. What the? Hey. Is this how you're going to start every video with? How do you do that?
Yes!
Okay, first, we need priorities. Bags. We need some sticks to defend ourselves. So what, Carter? I've never been to a Haunted Mansion before. You?
I have.
Okay, you're gonna show me the way, yeah?
I'm not gonna show a grappler.
I'm slow as hell, but I don't care. I do know Haunted Mansion is that way though, where the llamas are. By the way, we did a video on the llamas. Go check it out after you watch this one. Carter.
Oh, I do have a grappler, but it's a really rare one. Let me kiss it one last goodbye.
Okay, I know it's this way. Carter, I'm just gonna be walking. You follow me. I really don't care. I brought sticks, so I don't give a crap. Whee! Holy crap, I did like a little slide. Llama dome. Carter? Good thing I have...
I'm getting some 50 bombs!
What? 50 bombs?
Yeah?
50... Oh.
I'm joking, I only got like 10. Wow, I'm nearly already there.
Carter, I found this really dark place. What do I do?
Oh my god! Why is it so dark? We should have brought a flashlight. Oh my god.
Hey!
I do have a flashlight though.
Oh, maybe I should have brought one.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's so dark.
So you've been here before, yes?
Yeah.
Can you lead the way then?
If you give me the flashlight.
Yep. Take it.
Oh, by the way, there's an ogre there. You see them two eyes?
2 eyes, what?
Bro, shall I go get a mega flashlight?
Fine.
Yay!
Let me go help. We were killing some llamas earlier, and I think there was one, but it probably despawned. Yeah. Big llama, save me from the big ogre. Where's Carter? Carter!
I got a Big Daddy flashlight.
Why did you call it Big Daddy?
Because it's big.
Yeah, but where is the daddy? Oh my gosh.
Daddy! Okay, let's go.
Hold up, I'm eating some chips.
Oh my god, I nearly stepped in that mine. Look at my big flashlight. Oh my god.
Oh, ah! Hold up, viewers. Viewers, want to get blinded? Carter, blind the viewers.
Okay. Yeah. Guys, do you want to get blinded?
Wait, hold up. Flashing lights warning, guys. Look away if you're... No, Carter, not right now. Just look away if you can't see flashing lights. 3, 2, 1. Carter, do it. Oh my gosh! Ah!
Look. Bro, look how dark it is now. And then, Ellis, you ready?
Yeah. Holy crap.
That's why it's called them.
Let's get this done. Let's get this done
Yeah,
fast.
it's probably gonna attract the anglerfish.
Well then, just help me. Where do we go? You've been here before.
Ellis, I'm on the ceiling.
No! Where's he? I can't see him. God, I'm scared. Can't I turn on the flashlight for 1 second?
Yeah, but then the anglerfish is attracted to light.
Oh. What the hell? Carter?
Where are you?
I'm over here. Over here. Oh. Hold up, stick time. Guys, what time is it? You know what time it is, guys? Stick time. Come and get me. He can't get up here, right? Carter, point the flashlight at me.
Hey, Ellis. I think it might be.
Oh my God.
Yay!
Yay, sticks. Rule, guys. That's the lesson today.
Oh God!
Where?
Over incoming.
Okay, just show me the way. I'm gonna go.
Okay, so Ellis,
I'm
look
gonna
above.
sneak behind the ogre. Oh, where do we go? Where do we
No,
go?
through here!
Oh,
Go! Oh my God, creepy lady's here.
wait, turn off the.
I know.
Turn off the flashlight.
Sorry,
You won't be
I
able to see
forgot
us. She won't be able to see us.
If we don't have a flashlight, then she can't get it.
I can't see anything, Carter. What do we do? What do we do now?
Look, where are you? Where are you?
I'm on the stairs. Point the flashlight at me. I can't see. There you go. I can't see anything.
We're only allowed to do little flashes.
Okay, do a little flash.
No, I think. Okay.
Where do you go?
Oh no.
What is that? Carter.
It's a woman. No, Ellis, just touch one of those doors.
Touch.
Just touch it. Touch all of the doors.
Touch.
Wait, no, can you like...
Touch.
Can you not open them? Wait. Oh my God, I got flashbang so hard.
Huh. That's strange. Flashbang bomb. Drop the
Ellis.
flashbang. Are any of these meant to open?
Okay, Ellis. Oh, Ellis, that one opened.
How did you open it? There's a
Is there a key in here? Oh
It's
yeah,
rare.
Ellis, get the key.
Is it rare? Is it rare?
No. So now we need to go back.
Light the way. Magical key.
No, I can't light the way. She's attracted to the light.
No, I was saying
No,
my
follow
key
me.
can light the way. Creepy lady. Oh, creepy lady. Flashbang time. Hold up. Flashbang. I think I just flashbanged you.
Now come down here. And
What?
Ellis,
Yeah? Guys,
unlock it.
kaboom!
Yay.
Back top move.
Now Ellis, this is the fun part.
What the fudge?
Whee!
Ow! What the hell? Okay. What is this?
So now Ellis, you need to be really quick and jump up because you take damage if you take too long, okay?
Okay. Hold up, let me just go down the side here. Oh my god!
Taking too much damage. No.
I'm taking... What the hell?
Oh.
Carter, what is this?
So this.
Wait! No!
We made it!
I'm gonna eat some chips first. Hold up.
Oh yeah, Ellis, this is still Haunted Mansion, so I still can't turn my flashlight on.
Oh. Hold up.
So, now what I want to do, just do not touch the lava! 3, 2, 1.
What?
And now, just...
What is this?
Ellis, look. Let me test if I can use my bones.
I got
No,
it.
do not run away.
What's over here? Ah!
Okay, so it does work. So now, Ellis, just come up these stairs. I'm very fat and heavy, so I can't. And then
Oh yeah,
come up here.
there's a break, there's a break. Oh, wait. Oh, we're back at start. How lovely is that? Well, guys,
Okay.
I only needed to use...
We just did a haunted mansion run, which is pretty easy. Now we're gonna go on to the next level.
No, we are not. This is the end of the video. Let's do office next time.
Okay.
This is the end of the video, guys. We're going to be doing office next time. Check out our last video. And bye. Sing some outro music. Sing some outro music.
Thanks, I'll be back.
Bye.